Starting your home improvement project is an exciting undertaking, but it can easily become a stressful experience. Updating or adding onto your house gets you one step closer to the home that you've always dreamed of, but to get there, you will need help from a company or contractor that you may never have worked with before. And they will be your partner in this endeavor, someone that you can trust with your home, your money, and your dream renovation. So what are some steps that you can take to make sure that you find the right contractor? Hi, I'm Jay, and I am the regional manager and a project consultant for Joyce Windows, Sunrooms, and Baths. Choosing the right contractor is really one of the first big hurdles that you have to get over to get your renovation started. Unfortunately, the home improvement industry has its share of horror stories, including unfinished work, poor craftsmanship, and unexpected costs. But behind every beautiful home renovation and improvement, there is also a capable, experienced contractor that's willing to bring that vision to life. And with so many contractors readily available to take your money and have a go at your project, how do you know who you can trust? I'm going to talk about 3 fairly easy steps that you can take to find the right contractor for your project. 1, researching contractors. 2, scheduling an in-home consultation. And 3, what to look for on the contractor work order. Whether you're upgrading your windows, remodeling a bath, or tackling a major renovation such as a sunroom, this guide will walk you through the steps on how to choose the right professional for the job. We'll start with step 1, researching potential contractors. The first thing you should do is check experience. Look for companies with several years of experience and a solid track record. The second thing you should do is verify any licensing and/or insurance. Ensure that they are licensed in your state and carry liability insurance and workers' compensation. The contractor should be able to provide you with these proofs of liability insurance and workers' compensation, and many states actually provide online databases that allow you to verify a contractor's licensing status. Read reviews and references. Look at online reviews and ask for references from past customers. Look for a proven track record of quality work, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Also check Better Business Bureau ratings. This will provide you with information about how trustworthy a company is and provide you with actual customer experiences. We move on to step 2, which is scheduling an in-home consultation. To get an accurate picture of your project, you'll need to have a contractor inspect the space, discuss your vision, and take thorough measurements. This will allow them to share different possibilities and help you get a better understanding of what can be done with the space and what sort of costs will be involved. A thorough consultation allows you, the homeowner, to ask questions, see materials firsthand, and receive an accurate assessment tailored to your home's needs. If you've done your homework in the first step, you should be then able to have open, honest discussions about any of the products that the contractor is recommending, as well as their overall plan of action. Here are some good questions to ask. How are your installers trained, and are they certified? Does the contractor pull the necessary permits required? What is the warranty policy, and how will any issues be resolved should they come up? What sort of payment schedule do you require for the work? And does your company perform thorough background checks on the employees doing the work? If you're inviting people into your home and allowing them to do work on your home, it is your right to have a good idea of who will be doing the work and how it will be done. So please don't be shy about getting all of the answers that you need during your in-home consultation. Lastly, step number 3, reviewing the contract carefully. If you find a contractor you're happy with and they put together a proposal for your project that checkmarks all the boxes, you should have a contract come your way. When reviewing this work order, you want to ensure pricing, timeline, materials, and warranty details are clearly outlined and match what you agreed to. Here's a few pointers to look out for. The first would be to understand the terms. Read the entire work order so you know what you're agreeing to. Look for unclear language. Contracts should be clear and easy to understand. Review the materials and options. Check what materials will be used, like colors or accessories, and make sure they match what you want. Make sure to check the warranties. Make sure you understand any guarantees or warranties that are offered, including how long they will last and what exactly they will cover. Finding a good home improvement company can be challenging, but by doing your due diligence, you can find the right people to work with to bring your dream project to life. If this has been helpful, and for more content like this, please like and subscribe below. If you have a home improvement project you would like to bring to reality, you can follow the link below to also schedule a free, no obligation appointment with one of our expert consultants.